Wow, what I have found! So colorful! Huh? Just an usual microwave. Wow!
What is this? A microwave? It's so colorful! What do you think? What will happen if we put slime into the microwave? Let's try it! Yeah! Close the door. Grapes! Real grapes! Ah! Got it! The slime became fruit! I also want! We put in the slime and we close. Wow! Orange! It's so good! It's real! Yes!
Wow! Here you go! Huh? Where did you get the fruit from?
From the magic microwave!
The magic microwave? Ah! The magic microwave! Huh? The magic microwave!
The fruits were so good! But I want some more fruit! Yeah, me too! Let's go with the magic microwave! We'll make some more fruit, yeah? Yeah, let's do it!
Some more fruit?
I have strawberry slime, it means it will become strawberries. As for mine, it is kiwi, so it will come out as kiwi. Wow! Who goes first? You go first. Wow! Kiwi! Wow! You got it right? Now it's my turn. Yeah, okay. Strawberries!
Got it! Slime equals fruit. Today I will have orange, grapes, strawberry, and kiwi. Don't play with the microwave.